Hello and welcome to Stocks. The bulls are back in town. Let's take a look and see why. We're going to look at some fundamentals. We're going to look at some technical analysis for some potential trading and investing setups and ideas. So let's get into the charts. VERTIV Holdings, located in Ohio. So their sector is in the industrials industry, electrical, equipment and parts, full-time employees, 27,000. So it looks like they design, manufacture critical digital infrastructure technologies, communication networks, and commercial and industrial environments. Also thermal management products, integrated rack systems, including e-commerce, online banking, file sharing, energy storage, wireless communication, and well, it looks like they do a lot. And let's take a look at the charts and take a look at the numbers and see when is a good time to participate. What a 3-year weekly chart looks like. If we draw trend lines, and we're going to draw a trend line going straight across, as you can see, that resistance area broke through on this particular day here. That resistance area on substantially high volume. 38 million shares, the average in the range of 3 to 4 million shares. Earnings estimates was 28 cents. The actual was 46 cents. The stock gapped up on substantially higher volume. We have two catalysts there. Stock breaks out, high volume. So if you wanted to get in here, you can wait until it pulls back to one of the moving averages. So on this particular chart, the 10-day moving average is the black line. The purple line is the 21-day moving average, and the green line is the 50-day moving average. We're going to look at this range right in here. The 10-day crosses the 21-day again, and we're back off to the races. It goes up a little bit, and then it just consolidates a little bit sideways. This is what you want to look for in an upward trend as stocks tend to move higher. You want small consolidation periods like this right in here. It moves up, then we have a little consolidation, it moves up, and then we have these little consolidation periods. That's a healthy trend. But what's concerning now, at the top of this range, 79.66 is the high, but if you look on that particular day, 77.11 was the open and 77.14 was the close. That's a doji. Now when you see a doji, that's a lot of indecision going on. The bulls and the bears are fighting it out. But considering that the stock did gap up on double average volume, that is definitely a positive catalyst, but it is extended from the 10-day moving average. So what we want to do now is we want the stock to pull back to either the 10 or the 21-day. As you see, the stock will pull back to its 21-day moving average. So if we take, let's go from the top of this range right here, and if we go to here, peek through it, and then it pulls back, and then we're going to draw a line from the bottom of the range all the way. Stocks like to trade inside of channels a lot of times, and that's what's going on here. So it's at the top of the range of this channel. You can wait for it to pull back to the bottom of the range of the channel, or to the 10-day or the 21-day moving average, or a nice support level. So we have support here, and then these other areas are support. So right now the stock is extended. You have to wait. Can it take off without us? Absolutely, it sure can. Just based on experience, it will definitely pull back at some point. Now, let's take a look at the earnings and see what happened here. The estimate was 54 cents. The actual was 56 cents. So it did beat the street. Not by much, but it did, and market liked it. This one here, I'm going to hold off on. I'm going to wait until the dust settles on this. I want to buy it when it comes back down either to the 10-day, to the 21-day, or into this channel. And that will complete our analysis of VERTIV Holdings. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this will bring value to your investing and trading process in the stock market. If we bring value to your process, please show us some love and subscribe, like, hit the bell. And be careful. This is a very risky business. It's a very tough industry. So always remember to dot your I's and cross your T's, and don't forget the Z. Happy investing.